Suntan and welcome back to my channel. So today in this video I'm going to share with you how you can make your own anti-aging and fairness cream at home. This fairness and anti-aging cream is made up of rice and some natural ingredients which you can easily find in your kitchen or in the market. And to prepare this remedy, you firstly have to take 2 tablespoons white rice in a clean bowl, and then you have to add some water and wash it properly. Now after washing the rice, you have to take a pan or a big bowl and add 2 to 3 cups of water and washed rice in it. And now you have to cook it until it becomes thick and mashy like I'm showing you here. And now you have to strain this mixture with the help of a strainer to take out all the rice water from this cooked rice. And now after straining, you will get a very creamy and a little thick paste like I'm showing you here. And now you have to add vitamin E oil in this rice paste. And if you don't have this oil, then you can even use 2 to 3 vitamin E capsules which you can easily find at any pharmacy store. So here I'm adding half a teaspoon of vitamin E oil in this rice paste. And after adding the vitamin E oil, you are gonna need glycerine. And here I'm adding 1 teaspoon glycerine in it. So after the glycerine, you have to add the last ingredient, which is the aloe vera gel. And here I'm adding the ready-made one, but if you have the pure one, then you can even use that one. So now I'm adding just 1/4 teaspoon aloe vera gel in it. So now after adding all the ingredients, you just have to mix everything really well to make a smooth and creamy mixture. And after mixing everything really nicely, your homemade anti-aging and skin whitening rice cream is ready, and it will look like this. And the consistency of this rice cream should be very creamy and a little thick like I'm showing you in the video. So now I'm just transferring this homemade rice cream in this small airtight container, and you can use any airtight container to store this cream, and you can store this cream in refrigerator for up to 10 to 15 days. So now let me tell you how to use this homemade rice cream. So you just have to take a little amount of this rice cream and apply it all over your face and neck, or you can even use this rice cream on your whole body. Just apply this cream all over your skin and then massage it for good 30 to 45 seconds. And you can use this cream as a day cream, night cream, or even before your makeup as a moisturizer. And if you want to take best results out of this cream and want it to make your skin much fairer, glowing, radiant and spotless, then you have to use this cream twice a day, once in the morning and the other before going to bed. This cream has so many benefits, like it helps in whitening your skin, it removes your fine lines, wrinkles and all aging signs. It will also help in removing your dark spots, pigmentation, and will give you a soft, supple and beautiful skin. So that's it for this video, and if you like this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe my channel, and I will see you next time. Bye bye, take care.